So this is the boot area of my 2014 SJ Subaru Forester. The foam bits are interesting, looks handy. Bit of room in there for things. And around it about. So let's see what we can do with it. I've already got the first aid kit over here. And the jump starter power pack over there. So yeah, this could be interesting. Now, as you can see, there's my flat floor. But if I lift this up, underneath is my entire recovery system. Snatch strap, tree trunk protector, winch extension strap. And under there, I have my patented self-recovery system using the Dyneema rope, 4 pulleys or sheave blocks, and the soft shackles, gloves. And I'll put my entrenching tool in the back there. Absolutely perfect. You gotta love this. And there's still room for some emergency stuff at the back there, just in case. I love my Subaru. I forgot the ground anchors. Look at that. They just sit in there absolutely perfectly. I've tested them without all the other stuff in. They don't rattle, so I can't imagine them rattling now. I'm absolutely wrapped. I will never ever get bogged to the point where I can't get myself out. It's always going to be on board, always ready to go, and might even be able to help some other people, who knows. We got in a poncho liner to keep warm with a tool bag. Underneath that is the snatch strap. There we have our bog out, which might be the easiest way to get unbogged. We got my patented system with ground anchor, pulleys and rope. We got an entrenching tool there, and we got tree trunk protector and winch extension strap. We got lighting, head torches, everything we need, and it all fits underneath the cover. Which you can even do one-handed. You gotta love that. Love my Subi.